Hello guys, Anon here. So ngayon maglalaro pala tayo ng horror game. Ang title nito ay Delivery Mystery. Okay, wag na natin patagalin guys. Simulan na kagad natin. Oh! Tenga ko pambihira naman no, kakasimula pa lang eh. Okay, ito tayo. Open. Okay, meron dito. Maggulat ng wala. Haha, gotcha thief. Wait, you're not a thief? Malamang pambihirang yan. Delivery boy lang ako, boss. Huwag kang ganyan. Me, you idiot. Oh, hello, my delivery man. Yeah, sorry for the, a little bit of inconvenient. Tama lang yan, mag-sorry ka, pambira, ginulat mo ako. So, you ready to meet some lonely girls hoping they will give you alternate payment method? Ano kasabi mo? Your dirty jokes are cringe, Bob. Okay, bakit ko sabihin yan? But anyway, let's get to work, shall we? Tama. Bira, trabaho. Trabaho kung trabaho. Bagal maglakad ni Bobby. So ano? Now, you already understand the assignment, do you? Yep. Yes, sir. Cool, now grab all the food and deliver it. Don't forget to grab their money. And grab that flashlight. You want to have that with you. Okay. Oh, and here's the van key. Guess what? Our delivery bike is out of commission. Someone stole the engine. Good luck. That van cost 40k and we can't get ingredients if that van broke. Okay? Paano na natin to? Paano ito? Flashlight. Okay, gumagana. Ang wira. Punta daw sa may van. Open. Mali. Hindi yung flashlight. Okay. Order one muna. Ganda ng paligid ah. Okay. Deliver po ay putek ka. Sino ka? Edward? Lahat pa ng tao dito nang gugulat. Pambira, anong problema ng mga tao dito? Diyos ko naman. Haha, welcome back my favorite delivery guy. Parang hindi ako natutuwa. Love night shift, huh? Well, to be honest, I hate it. But I guess I'm just stuck here. Jobs are tough to find. I understand. Times have changed. Back in my day, finding a job was a piece of cake. Yeah, now I like to learn billionaire success stories. Don't just listen to success stories. You and they came from different backgrounds. Instead, study their failures, what went wrong, and how did they overcome it. Okay, maraming salamat sa inspirasyon na yon. Pero may punto to si si Grandfather Edward ah. Hey, but I know you can do it. Even now, your parents must be proud of you with your job. Sana nga. Proud? They expect me to be an engineer. How am I supposed to make them proud with this job? Because you serve more people than your mom. Okay, good joke, good joke. Okay, order 1, tapos order 2. Next na kagad tayo. Ano to? Ano ba yan? Ba't hindi ka pa nag-drive sa taas? Ang bihira nga. Sabagay, delikado. Yan ang mga bahay to. Mag-isa lang tong ano to, ano. Meron dito. Tao po. Tao po. Delivery po. Ay, pambihira ka. Excuse me. Is this order for Mr. Barosaider Pularang? Yes. Mirang yan. Mag-order ka na, nanggugulat ka pa. Yes. Be very happy. Me, Asphalt. Asphalt? Uy, saan ka pupunta? Ah, okay na. Basta nagbayad na siya. Is na ako dito. Bilang yan. Ayoko na kagad dito. Ako lang mag-deliver. Bibigyan pa ako ng sakit sa puso. Order 1. Huh? Tapos ko yung order 1 ah. Order 3. Saan tayo? Laki ng bahay na to ah. Okay, katok tayo. Tao po, deliver. Deliver po. Deliver. Wait, I'm about to come. Okay. Sino to? Excuse me. This order from Mr. Alfred the Angel? Oh my, tasty burgerity. Yeah, it's me. Thank you. Quick, Alfred. I'm not done with you. Sorry, that's my wife. We're in the middle of, household problem. So here's what a bad day. My wallet is in the bedroom. Hey, Alfred, be quick. Wait here, kid. Go get it and be right back. If it take too long, you know why. Okay? Sige, hintayin kita dito. Ano ba sasarado yung ano mo? Bahay mo? Bilisan mo, pambira. Kuha ka lang ng wallet eh. Dali na. Oh my god, ang tagal. Oh man, I hate this job. Pambira na. Ano na? Come on, Alfred, bilisan mo. Babayad ka lang. Pambira, kukuha ka lang ng wallet. Ang tagal mo. Ano pa katagal to? Ayan na siya. Pambira, nananadya pa. Ang bagal. Bagal maglakad. Sorry to keep you waiting for so long. Tama yan. Sorry ka. I hope I didn't bring my bad day to you. It's alright. This is the money. Thank you so much. Okay. Salamat. Okay, order 4. Last na lang. Tapos na yung trabaho ko. Order 4. Room 9. Okay. Gusto ko na matapos trabaho ko. Anong ulit? Anong room? 9? 6, 12. Layo na pa. 11, 10, 9. Ito, 9. Tao po, delivery. the hell? No. Delivery po. Excuse me, is this order for Diana? Okay, hindi siya nagsalita. Yes? Yes. Okay, thank you for ordering. What the hell? Okay lang, boss. Basta nagbayad siya. Diretso na. Bira na tapos din. Balik na tayo kay Bobby. Restaurant. Okay. Ayun, si Bobby. Tapos na boss. Na-deliver ko na. Good job, man. Thank you, boss. Here's your cash. Take care, alright? Thank you, boss. Oh. Hey, let's go. Ending. Just another day. Okay, so that's it for our video, no? Natapos na natin yung delivery mystery. May 4 pa na endings pero hindi. Ayoko na maglaro. Pambira, na-deliver ko na yung kailangan ko i-deliver. So guys, kung na-enjoy nyo tong maikling video na to, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-iwan ng like, comment, at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para sa mga ganito pang content sa channel natin. Anon, nagpapaalam.